Hi, this is Create TV, and I have another Adobe Photoshop tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to create this neat spatter painted looking fish. It's actually sort of a beginning to learn how to paint or how to create painted effects in Photoshop tutorial. Let me take it from the top. We're going to go to File. We're going to create a new document. We're going to make it 800 pixels wide, 500 pixels high, 72 pixel resolution. Click OK. Immediately, we're going to change the background to black. You do that by going to Edit, and then you come down the drop-down menu to the word Fill. You're going to see the word Contents, and then Use drop-down menu. You can choose any of several contents. We're using black. Click OK. Now, we're going to use a custom shape, a fish custom shape. The custom shapes are in the tool panel. In case your tool panel is normally docked over on the left. In case your tool panel is not showing, you go to Window, come down to Tools. Mine's already showing, obviously. All right, now, here we go. The custom shape is normally hiding beneath the rectangle. It's in the shapes. It's one of the shapes tools. If you see the rectangle or whichever shape you use last will be on top. It's the last one. It looks like a distorted or warped starfish or a blob or something. Using the custom shape tool is a two-step or three-step procedure. First, you have to click on the custom shape tool in the toolbar. Then you have to go to the options bar. The options bar is the second bar from the top. That's where you'll select the color for the shape and also what custom shape. At the end of the bar, the word shape, a little window. Now, in case your animal, the fish isn't showing, the way that you find, normally, I'll reset it. Normally, these are the default custom shapes right here. There's a little tiny gear in the upper right corner with an even tinier arrow next to it. Click on that arrow, go down the drop-down menu to the word Animals. We're going to add the animals. We're not going to replace, so do not click OK, but if you do, we can undo it. And do not click Cancel. Click Append. Append means to add to or in addition. Okay, so we have added the animals, these little animals, and we're going to use the fish. All right, now, conveniently, the fish, the color is correct, but let's say that pink was there and I didn't want a pink fish. Well, you click on the right in the middle of that pink color and the color choices will drop down, and I'm going to select this red, and if you could see the writing, it says pure red orange. Now that's the color for my shape. Number one, selected the shape, custom shape tool in the toolbar. Two, I selected which shape from the panel, and I set the color. Now I'm just going to click and drag out this fish. I'm going to move it by clicking on the Move tool, which is the arrow at the top of the toolbar, has a little cross next to it. Click on that. Now I've selected the fish, and just click right on that fish and drag it over wherever you want it. Moving, okay, now then I'm gonna have to do this. All right, now, there we go. I'm gonna move it back just a little bit. Now this is very simple. We're almost finished. You can make it fatter or skinnier. Now we're gonna apply the style to it. I'm gonna hit a, because I changed the size, I had to go to that same move tool where the arrow, where the clock cross, click apply. Now that is applied, and I can change it further. Go to the word window again on the top bar, come down to the word styles. We're going to use the same overspray style that we used to create this black spattered text effect. When I first began using this style, I thought because the panel is in black and white, I thought that the only color that it could be, that this effect would work with would be black and white. But I discovered that the spatter effect of this overspray, although it appears the tab is black and white only, the coloring depends upon what color the shape is beneath the spattering effect. Now, I'm going to show you another couple of neat things to do to this, but that's going to be in part 2 of this tutorial. I have a lot of neat tutorials to share with you. The tutorials sort of build on each other. I've taught for many years, and I was a painter for many years before I taught. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, and this is Create TV, and I hope that you will like me, because I promise that if you want to learn to paint, if you want to learn to draw, and or if you want to do either of those in Photoshop or with the other Adobe tools, then I can help you. And I would look forward to seeing you here again and again. My name is Jackie Kellum, and this is Create TV. Bye-bye.